Of this symposium is to ensure that we review how well we've managed to implement the Political Funding Act, what are the areas of success, and what are challenges that require us to review and propose, make proposals to the policymaker, which is Parliament. Things have gone well. We've received very good presentations. Firstly, the research from the Human Sciences Research Council, the IC's own experiences in implementing the Act, as well as a cross-national experience from the international idea. Based on this, discussions are going well, and we hope that by the end of the day tomorrow, we will have a package of proposals that we can eventually put before Parliament. We have in this symposium various political parties, both in Parliament and those that are outside of Parliament. We have civil society organizations represented, varied nature of them. We also have business organizations, BUSA, BLSA, and so on. So everybody that matters is in the room, hence a vibrant discussion that we are having.
Hello, my name is Yukihiko Hamada. I'm coming from International Institute for Democracy and Electoral Assistant, an intergovernmental organization based in Sweden. I'm excited to be part of this conference, especially my contribution to this national debate is to bring more international and global perspectives to this debate and hoping to shape this debate in line with global practices. It's very encouraging that South Africa has already taken a major step towards reforming it a couple of years ago. But as always, no country has a perfect system, and South Africa is also no exception. So it's very encouraging for the Electoral Commission to willing to organize this event for all the stakeholders and have a multi-stakeholder dialogue on how best to go about and reform the system. That in itself is a very encouraging sign for me. Sure, I think there are a few areas that there's a room for improvement, let's say. One area that comes to mind is that requiring political parties to submit information on expenditure. As I understand currently, most regulatory scope is focusing on donation side, but I believe that in expanding that scope to expenditure, that has a lot of values for oversight body.